How to appeal P2P transaction on Binance. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'll be showing you the ways to appeal P2P transaction on Binance. To appeal peer-to-peer transaction on Binance, you could follow these steps. First thing first, make sure that you're logged into your Binance account. Also make sure to verify your identity. After which you want to go ahead and tap on appeal for a buy order, or you could just go ahead and tap on the icon from the top right hand side and go to P2P. As you go to P2P transactions, then it can show you this sort of page. Since I haven't verified, so I cannot go on further on. So what next you want to do is you can just go ahead and appeal for P2P buy order, or you could also tap on help on to release the crypto page. After which you want to select the reason for your appeal and describe the situation as detailed as possible. The customer service agent will better assist you as well. Then you'll see the appeal submitted and you could get a response within 24 to 48 hours. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.